Hello everybody, my name is BDF and welcome to a brand new Technic build. Today, product 42212's Ferrari FXX from 2025. A very pretty looking set. A huge Ferrari fan is Billy. I'm very excited to build LEGO's latest prancing horse. So here she is, the LEGO's latest Ferrari, coming in at 897 pieces across 318 steps. I bought this for £50, brand new, sealed and unopened from Smith Toy Superstores not long after release. Here is our front view, including the Ferrari car playable on Asphalt Legends Unite. There'll be a code inside for a free redemption of this car. Here is our top, right side, left side, bottom, and rear views. We have an image in-game, we have an image of the rear opening, and a real image of the FXXK, as well as a big image across the back of the Ferrari. Looking forward to building this set. It's very nice. Been very excited to put it for a little while now. Let's open the box, get to the contents, and get to today's build. So here is everything included with today's build, including bags 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, an unnumbered tyres bag, a free redemption for the car and Asphalt Legends Unite, a sticker sheet with 32 numbered stickers, and our instruction sheet. here's a full and complete build for LEGO product 42212, Technic's Ferrari FXX, a lovely set, very red, very simple. Took about 3 or so hours to build it, so longer than I thought it would actually take, with multiple moving features including moving wing mirrors, scissor doors on both sides, an opening bonnet, albeit not too much, the biggest piece being the opening rear contraption to reveal that lovely VTOL, which does actually make a sound when you move it. Listen very closely. That is 12 LEGO pistons firing in unison. A feature that I do very much appreciate with the set is the peg at the back that does hold the back open. Just pop it into place like so, and the rear does sit up. Very nice. You can look at all the engine, all the contraptions, all the guts of the FXX on the inside. Steering works via the cog at the top as usual. Overall, a very nice set. Very big at the back, this set. It's very small at the front, very big at the back, as is the FXX IRL. That's going to be it for today's build. As always, leave your thoughts in the comment section down below and leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Would you burn or build it? Is it for you? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Personally, a very nice set. The scissor doors can be a little bit annoying when you're picking the set up, but they do just like to flail open a little bit, but other than that, it's a very nice set. Also together very nicely. Very simple, very effective. I'm a big fan of the Asphalt Unite builds. With that said, I've been BDFO team. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.